Hi everyone, I'm Russell Lowe, and in this series of tutorials we're looking at creating a series of infographics. We'll start with looking at a spider chart. We move into creating a mosaic chart, and then we look at a multi-level pie chart and finish off with a picto chart. Now each one of these has different lessons to learn and different techniques that I introduce. And the idea is not just to create graphs, because we can actually go into the graph tool inside of Illustrator and we could actually create graphs directly using this tool. That has some advantages. One of them is that it's quite quick. Another one is that you can tie your data from an outside source directly into Illustrator, so if your data updates, you can update it directly. But that won't solve the problem that we really have, which is learning how to use Illustrator and being able to apply techniques in creating these infographics to create all sorts of other things like orthographic drawings or icons or titles or any kind of other graphic that you might think is useful for communicating a design project. So in the spider chart tutorial, we'll look at creating lines that have dashed lines and straight lines with different colors, or full lines with different colors. We'll learn how to put text in. In the mosaic chart, we'll look how to capture colors from a sample and look at layers. And you can see, let me cancel that, editing those shapes so that you can take a sample and actually sort of extend it a little bit by maybe making all the edges round. Then in the multi-level pie chart, we'll look at analyzing an image and developing a simple way using layers to create the same kind of thing. And in the picto chart, we'll look at tracing over non-regular shapes to create our own version that can be multiplied and scaled up, and drawing icons like this country here, and once again exploring layers. So through all these tutorials you'll learn a whole range of techniques. You'll learn where different things are in the interface, how to select things, how to sort of modify things, and that'll get you going on Illustrator, and like I say, give you some tools that you can use in other communication projects. So stay tuned for those tutorials, and thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the tutorials to come.